on YouTube. So we over here at Bad Art Built. We getting downpipes installed. This is the man himself, Bad Art, right here. He got the 340, open dump 340, probably E30, I don't know. What the fuck he running on that? EC sticker. You get a sticker on his shit, bro. But yeah, the 340 finna get some sauce. I mean the X340 finna get some sauce. Finna get the big boy downpipe. And then sooner or later she's gonna get a tune. You feel me? A tune, and an oil change. And rear brake pad change. You see? That are built. As you can see right now, with the stuck downpipe saw, stock catalytic converter bullshit. We got the new spool performance downpipe.
That shit sound nice.
Damn it.
Stop! Stop!
That shit not even bad.
Dude, stop.